Oh, hell no.
You first.
Alright, here we go. Hold me.
homegrown bands here.
Homegrown.
To practice for our bowling tournament, we got nice prizes for that. I'm telling you, those gift bags are sweet. And if you did bring the $5 or a $5 lotto ticket envelope, you can put them right in here, and then we'll do exchange later. And again, any prizes of 5,000 or more get split up between the whole, you know, basically everyone that pitched into it, right? So it's a chance to make some dough tonight.
That's it.
If you don't know statistical probability, but anyway, thanks Smack Dad for being here, you guys.
Yeah.
And,
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, rock it
Merry
out.
Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Merry Kwanzaa.
Get off your sled and go to bed. Don't you ever tire. Roll the bone, I'm finally home. Curled up by the fire. Snow is falling from the sky like ashes from an urn. Sweet dreams, my little one. Now it's my turn. Going to the top. Would you rather have two toys in your life? And things are going very good, it's true. So I'll just lay here and choose. Now when I sleep, I like to dream rabbits in the snow, jumping right into my jaws from their rabbit hole. I take one home and set them down right next to your shoe. Wake up to a big surprise. I might get to you. Going to the dog. Rather have two toys than your dog. Things are going very good, it's true. So I'll just lay here and down the turkey and you're lost. And things are going very good, it's true. So I'll just lay here and just lay here and
Jim, can you hear me? Can you hear me singing?
all right, do an old favorite, shall we?
Ready for a little remedy? What do you want for Christmas? I want a remedy!
What do you want for Christmas? You want a remedy? Okay.
1, 2,
Good.
3.
All right. Merry Christmas.
On that note, you can't always get what you want for Christmas.
That's right.
That's all we can say.
You want a red, white, or colored gun?
Woo!
Guys, sounded damn, smackdown.
Balance is
That
okay?
sounded great. Yeah.
All right. Saul Boyd. Yep. Whoops. I went down to the reception. Glass of wine in her hand. I know she was gonna meet her connection. And indeed, there was a tall, footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. Oh, get what you need. Get what I need. Went down to the demonstration. Did my fair share of abuse. Standing with the long penetration. We ain't gonna blow up you. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. Just sometimes, get what you need. Get what you need. Get what you need.
Sorry about that. Hey, you can't always get what you want.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, okay.
We do a little,
Oh, we're gonna do a little Christmas song here. Just rocking around, the proverbial, tree. How's everybody doing tonight? Looks like a really big crowd. Thank you, Rick, for having us tonight. Got lots of food and fun and refreshments. We're loving our whole family. All right, we're gonna rock around the Christmas tree, I think.
You guys.
Here we go. Oh, here we go.
2, 1, 2, 3.
The bells go softly, flying around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. And everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. started going, ah, no, no, no. Yeah, turn it up, turn it up. Thank you.
Well, looks like things are going pretty smooth.
I think they're going pretty smooth.
Hey, should we wait till more people show up?
All of that. We'll just repeat our set.
The cool people are here.
Okay, here we go.
that was a tambourine. You folks didn't know that was a Christmas song, did you?
Ooh, my glasses are all foggy. It's like it's hot out.
There's another Christmas song for you.
Ooh, it's a hot one.
I did, but I forgot about it.
What's that?
You said you didn't do Christmas song.
Ken, should we do it?
It sucks when someone does that. What was the joke?
We need to check too. Hang on.
Yeah, was that you?
Good, man.
Well, thanks, man. Let's go on. Let's go on.
Checking, but it's on. I love this song. Welcome to the mob.
All right. Ready, Ken?
Okay, we're ready.
Here we go. 2, 1, 2, 3.
I must have been asleep for days. I'm moving this a human day. My open of my eyes. And found myself alone, but the rain seems to so hold me, don't you will not know. You found me deep inside of me. You, lost and lonely. Soft and lonely. And just like heaven.
Thank you, Plasma Dancer.
Oh, you guys have heard of The Cure?
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh,
cool.
first we get a remedy, then we get a cure. Aha. All right then.
Seems to be a message.
Oh.
I don't know.
That was a knee slapper.
You should never slap your niece or your nephews.
Very strong.
Well, are we ready for little Elvis?
Let's do it.
We ready for little Elvis?
Christmas?
Wait.
Blue Christmas.
Wait a minute. Mark is gonna let out a little bit of his Elvis.
Your inner Elvis.
His inner Elvis is
Yeah,
gonna
your
come out
inner
here.
Elvis. Let it loose, man. Let it
Go for it,
loose.
Mark. Let's do it, man.
We're selling it. A one, a two, a one.
I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same if you're not here with me. And when those blue start falling, that's when those blue memories they start a calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas right. Oh, but I have a blue Christmas. Decorations doing alright with your Christmas and white. Oh, but I'll have a blue Christmas. Everybody now, one more time. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas and white. Oh, but I'll have a blue Christmas.
All right.
All right, give me a second.
You know, it would be really nice to get the smacked up dancers up again for this one. I'm just saying.
All right, you got your boots on? You got your Christmas boots?
Get your boots
You
on.
got your punky
What
boots?
were they made for?
You got your punky boots?
I don't know what they're made for.
Oh, clean up on aisle one. Clean up on aisle one.
Oh, nice shot. Thank you.
Oh,
All right.
We're ready, Ken.
When you guys are.
I'm ready. You keep saying you got something for me. You keep thinking that you'll never get hurt. You keep dreaming when the other beat changes. Well, for one night tonight, you believe me like this. You used to live walking, yeah, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. You keep singing, but you'll never get burnt. Oh, I just got me a brand new box to match it. Yeah, yeah, but you keep singing, walking, and that's just what they'll do. I wonder if these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Are you ready, Beats? Start walking out, yeah. Yeah, someday, so walk all over you. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Kent Richards, our phenomenal bass player, and Peter Lindvall, our drummer, Mark Repair, our guitarist and singer, Lloyd Brown III, singer, guitarist, and me, I'm Allison, or Allie Friedman. Yay!
Allison!
All right, we got one more for you.
Greasy black. Football! You've got termites in your smile. You've got all the sweetness of a cheesy crocodile. Given the choice between the two of you, I take the seasick crocodile! to describe you are as follows, and I quote: Steak! Steak! Steak!
Hell, it is. Come back down.
Okay, let's go. Stage bow. Stage bow. Stage bow. Stage bow. Come on. Stage bow for Peter. Come on. Stage bow.
Peter loves stage bows.
Come on. Stage bow. Come on. Come on. There we go. On. Okay, it's fine. On three. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Merry Christmas. All right.
And cue the music. Thanks.